Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can recreate the Britney Spears iconic red jumpsuit look on Dress to Impress. Don't mind the back, please. You don't need VIP for this, so let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this ponytail in this color and then in this darker brown. I think I used this one actually. Position the Y at 0.47, the Z at 0.44. Rotate the X to 0.71, Y 0.57, and scale it the same. Then I use this hair in the same like color, and then this for the back. Position of the Z at 0.59, rotate the X to 0.64. For the outfit, it's actually pretty simple to recreate if you don't have a lot of time. Get these leggings in type 3, color it this red. In silk, you can even like make it metallic for that more sheen. Maybe I will make it metallic actually. Grab this in the turtleneck toggle in that same red color and metallic. And then for the pants, I like the like opened, the like flared, bottom a little bit better. So turn off the flower. Color it the same in metallic and then do the same for the button. For the shoes, I just use these in leather and in black. And that is it. Super easy to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.